In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Oanda to MT5. By the end, you'll have your Oanda account linked to MetaTrader 5, so you can see prices, manage positions, and place trades with confidence. First, you'll create a dedicated MT5 trading account inside your Oanda portal. This is important because MT5 uses its own login details that are different from your regular Oanda website credentials. Sign in to your Oanda account portal, then head to the section labeled Manage Funds or Trading Accounts. Look for the option to create an MT5 account and select it. You'll be asked to choose whether you want a live or a demo account and to set basic preferences like account currency and leverage. Take a moment to pick the settings that match your needs. After you submit, Oanda will generate a unique MT5 login ID and password. Copy these details and store them securely. You'll need them shortly, and they are case-sensitive. Next, install MetaTrader 5. You can download MT5 for Windows or Mac, and there are mobile versions for iOS and Android as well. Use the official MetaQuotes or broker-provided download link to avoid any issues. Once the installation is complete, open the MT5 platform. On first launch, it may prompt you to log in. If not, don't worry, you can do it from the menu. Now, connect your Oanda MT5 account. In MT5, click File at the top left, then select Login to Trade Account. In the Login window, enter your MT5 account ID in the Login field, your MT5 password in the Password field, and choose the correct Oanda server from the list. For example, the appropriate live or demo server that matches the account you just created. Double-check that the server type aligns with your account type. When everything looks correct, click OK. If the details are valid, you'll see prices start to stream, and the connection icon in the bottom right should show green bars with a ping time. To confirm you're fully connected, look at the terminal window at the bottom of MT5. Your balance and equity should appear under the Trade tab. In the Market Watch panel, you'll see available symbols with live quotes. You can also click New Order to verify that the order ticket opens, which indicates you're ready to trade. If you can't connect, start by checking the server selection. Make sure you're using your MT5 password, not your Oanda website password, and confirm that the MT5 account was actually created in the Oanda portal. Also watch for extra spaces when pasting your credentials and ensure caps lock isn't on. That's it. Your Oanda account is now connected to MT5.